Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note and process a refund in Xero. This is essential when you need to issue credits to customers for returned items, canceled services, or billing corrections, and then process the actual refund back to them. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, type your Xero account email and password into the fields provided. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. This brings you to the main hub where you can manage all your accounting tasks. Now that you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Sales. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this expanded list, click on Sales Overview. This section is where all your invoices, payments, and bills are organized and managed. You'll now be directed to the Sales Overview page, where you can see all your payments and bills listed in one place. To create a credit note, locate the plus new button near the top of the page and click it. An expanded selection will appear offering various document types. From here, choose credit note to begin the creation process. Next, you'll need to fill in the credit note details. Start by selecting your recipient or vendor from the contact list. Add the due date for the credit note, and if you have a credit note number available, enter it in the designated field. You can also fill in the reference field if you have one for your own tracking purposes. Now it's time to fill in the item field. Specify whether this credit is for services or an actual physical item from this vendor. Add a clear description of what's being credited, then enter the quantity and price. Make sure to select the account this transaction is associated with from the drop-down menu, and don't forget to fill in the appropriate tax rates to ensure everything is calculated correctly. Once all the fields are filled in accurately, simply click on Approve. This action will officially grant this vendor or supplier a credit note, formally documenting the amount owed back to them in your system. After the credit note is created and approved, you'll notice a refund field appear at the bottom part of the screen under the Make a Cash Refund section. This is where you'll process the actual money transfer back to the customer or vendor. From here, fill in the refund amount, select the date you want the refund to be processed, and choose the bank account the payment should come from in the Paid From field. If you have a reference number available for this transaction, add it to keep your records organized. Once everything is filled in, you have two options. You can either use the Pay by Check option by clicking the checkbox if you're issuing a physical check, or you can simply click the Refund button to process the refund electronically. And there you have it, you've successfully created a credit note and processed a refund in Xero, keeping your accounts accurate and your customers satisfied. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.